Uy! Wow! Hala!
Help! You're cold.
Wow! Ah, it's cold, yeah. It's so cold. Oh. Hi. Oh, it's snowing guys today dito sa amin sa New Jersey. Yahoo! Nagplow na sila si Daddy John and then yung cousin niya si Noy Boy. Oop, mamaya maglalaro ang mga bata dito. Yan. Ito sa backyard. Medyo makapal yung ano guys. Yung snow. Oh, yan. Nilinisan na nila ni Daddy John dito. So, hindi nila tinuloy kasi mamaya maglalaro si Ate Dana and si Jana dito. Yan, medyo malinis na dito sa harap guys. Yung mga kapitbahay namin nagpa-plow. Uy! Wow! Hala! Nandito na yung mga bata sa labas. Naglalaro na si Ate Dana and si Bibi Jana. Ha? Okay. Go.
Help me! Help me!
Are you talking to someone?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, oh.
I'm tall enough to reach this.
Mhm. Are you making snowman?
I'm trying to.
Hmm?
My pants are gonna get dirty. Look how satisfying. Mommy.
Okay.
No! I can't put my hands.
Yeah.
I can't
Asa naman to si Daddy? Where's Daddy John?
put my hands there. No. Wait, I have an idea. What if I jump off the fence?
Look,
like I
oh, na,
do
yung
all
mga
that I
kuan
always
sa
do, and
atop,
I'll
oh.
jump into the snow.
Mommy, did you bring gloves?
No, I forgot.
Basically, I always jump off this fence onto the ground. Yo. I'm gonna die. Oh my days.
So cold. Awa kong raised bed ninyo, oh, wala na. Natamuka na gyud. Are you cold, Baba?
My hands are cold.
Hmm. We forgot to bring gloves.
I'm gonna go inside and go back outside.
Okay.
I hope you trip.
Help! My legs are too cold.
My hands are too. Ah! No.
No.
My hands are like actually red. When you go on all that. I am not.
Nakalimutan namin magdala ng
I
gloves.
cannot feel my hands.
My feet.
Alam na namin kasi
my
na
legs.
mag-snow today. Kaya pumunta kami dito sa kabilang bahay para makapaglaro na rin ang mga bata. Pero nakalimutan namin ang gloves nila. Oh no. So that means to say hindi sila masyadong makaano sa sa snow. Kasi habang tumatagal guys, sumasakit yung kamay mo sa sobrang lamig. Kaya kailangan talaga may gloves.
No! There's no way you just headshot.
Hoy!
Oh no!
Help me, bro. Ah! My pants are gonna fall off.
Oh my.
I made my snowman. There's. How about
Jana's making a snowman. Is this a snowman?
yes?
Hindi sila masyadong makaano kasi walang gloves talaga guys. Sobrang lamig. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Look, look. Sobrang pula na ng kamay ko guys.
What is that?
Nalubong na si madam.
Oh, I missed! Bro.
Look at this. I got a lot of sticks. Here's the sticks.
Ready. I have dandruff.
Are you cold, Baba? Are you okay? I'm going inside now.
I'm gonna go inside too.
Yeah, look at my hands.
Look at my hands.
Look at my hand.
Let's go. Diha na ato good.
Are you there?
Ready.
Diyan na. Wala. Kuha na ang naong aning bata. Ala, come on, let's go guys. Let's go inside. Come on. It's getting cold.
You're cold.
Whoa. Where's Manoy? Ayaw na ni Manoy makipaglaro guys sa
I'm a baller.
sa mga kapatid niya. Nasa snow.
Oh, I missed.
Medyo malaki na rin kasi siya eh. Tapos na siya sa snow. Nung baby pa siya, nung bata pa siya. Grabe ang hilig-hilig maglaro ng guys, snow. Every time na mag-snow during winter, dito siya sa labas naglalaro.
Wow.
But now, wala na. Ayaw na niya, guys. May sarili ng mundo. Si Manoy Jakjak. Pasok na kami sa loob, guys. Sobrang lamig. Si Papay.
Okay.
Diyan na. Tingnan yung mga mukha nila, oh. Hoy! Can I see your face? Can I see your face? Na.